Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Learning Maths with Michelle. Today, we're going to be doing discount and selling price. Look over here. We have a table and it shows marked price, discount and selling price. And today, we're going to be calculating the selling price. We have a row. One row is for shillings and another one is for the percentage. Now, let's imagine that a businessman who owns a lovely boutique is selling skirts, and the skirt here is 800 shillings. He's selling dresses for 1,400 and he's selling shorts for 600 and nice beautiful hats for 500 shillings. But then he needs to bring new stock and all this old stock needs to go. But now he needs to attract customers. What does he do? He lowers the prices, and he does that by giving discount. And today he gives a discount of 20% to the customers. So if a customer wanted to buy one skirt, how much would that cost? Let's calculate and see. So, we see that the marked price was 800 shillings. And that is always equal to 100%. And percentage is just a special fraction, which means 100 over 100. And we always use percent to compare fraction to whole numbers. So here, 800 shillings is equal to 100%. Let's come and arrange it this way. So we ask ourselves, 100% is equal to 800 shillings. What about 1%? We're now using a unitary method. What about just 1%? So what about 1%? How many shillings will 1% give us? We have to ask ourselves, how did we move from 100% to just 1%? We divided by 100. So equally we divide by 100, and what we do on this side, we must do on the other side of the equal sign to make both sides equal. So this side we also put 100. Let's start cancelling. 0 goes with 0, 0 goes with 0, and you see we have 1% here. What about on the other side? 0 cancels with 0, 0 cancels with 0. 8 times 1 is just 8. So 1% gives us 8 shillings. So let's come over here and use it. We have just 1%, and we know now that 1% equals to 8 shillings. We have to ask ourselves, what about 80? What about 80%? So what did we do? How did we move from 1% to 80%? We multiplied by 80. So let's also multiply by 80 on this side. And the rule is, what you do on this side of the equal sign must be done on the other side. Also here by 80. So 1% times 80 equals to 80%. 80 times 8 is equals to 640. So this cut here is no longer 800, but the new selling price is 640 shillings. What a lovely offer for the customers. Now, try one of the other items, the one that you wish, and see if you can get the new selling price. Hope you've learned something, and so see you during the next lesson.